So this video is in the second part of the geometric sequences. So example 4. The product of the first three terms of a geometric sequence is 2, 1, 6, and their sum is 21. Given that the common ratio is less than 1, find the first three terms of the sequence. So first three terms of any arithmetic or any geometric sequence are a over r, a, and ar. So we know these are the first three terms. What I have to do is, first of all, I know that the product is 2, 1, 6. So if I multiply a over r by a and then by ar, I know the answer is 2, 1, 6. If I multiply r divided by r, we're just left with the a, so it's a cubed is equal to 2, 1, 6. And then in your calculator, if you get the cube root of 2, 1, 6, you'll see your answer is 6. So that's a is equal to 6. That is what the first term is. And then from that, we need to try to figure out the rest of the information. We know that the sum of all of these is 21. We know a already is 6, so it's 6 over r plus 6 plus 6r is equal to 21. We need to multiply everything by r in order to get rid of the r on the bottom. So then we're left with 6 plus 6r plus 6r squared is equal to 21r. We can see we've got a quadratic 6r squared. Taking this 21 over and changing the sign, we've got minus 15r, and then we've got plus 6 is equal to 0. To try to simplify this a small bit before we actually do any factorising, my advice would be to divide across by 3. If we divide by 3, we've got 2r squared minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0. And then we can try to factorise that. 2r and r are our factors. We can see that it's going to be 2 and 1, and then both of them are going to be a minus. And then we need to put that equal to 0. So bringing that up over here again, we have 2r minus 1 equal to 0, so r is equal to a half. And then the second answer would be r minus 2 is equal to 0, so r would be equal to 2. Now it told us in the question, it said find the common ratio which is less than 1, so this one has to be our answer, and this one is incorrect. So it's r is equal to a half as our answer. Then it tells us to find the first three terms of the sequence. The first one was a over r, the second one was a, and the third one was ar. So a over r, we already know that a is 6, so it's going to be 6